Yo, what's up you guys? Back to my channel. I know I've been gone for a very long time. I'm sorry about that, but life and family issues and work got in my way. But I'm here right now. So today's video is Beetlejuice, that beautiful sound Animatic, and I'm so happy to get into this, guys. So guys, we're into it, and we already got nothing to me show right now. Boop! I feel good.
Do you hear that sound?
That beautiful sound.
That is the sound of clean white shorts turning brown. Torture and pain, breaking a brain. A sound that says, I will never sleep well again.
The sound of a scream is music to me. A sound that says 15 years full-time therapy.
Trauma and fear, it sings in my ear. Ain't it the sweetest noise around? That beautiful sound. Ooh, someone's at the door.
You want to answer it this time?
More than anything.
Don't oversell it. Act natural.
Come on, you're giving me advice?
Hello, I'm with the U.S. Census Bureau. Time for a few. Oh my God!
Hi.
How many people live here?
Just me.
Oh, and you?
I don't live here. I'm dead. Panic and stress.
Panic and stress.
Oh, ain't it the best?
Ain't it the best?
The sound of a heart exploding inside a chest.
It fills you with pride.
We're ruining lives. Ain't it the sweetest noise in town? That beautiful sound. Hey, you know what would make this even more awesome?
What?
More me! All we wanna do is hear that sound. All we wanna do is hear that sound. Fellas! All we wanna do is hear that sound. 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 Yes, I hear that sound.
That beautiful sound. There's no more condescending adults hanging around.
Every groan, each wail and each moan adds up to Daddy's leaving.
You're the hell alone. Hey, look at me. I'm finally free.
You're finally free, girl.
I was invisible.
She was invisible, but now they all see.
They're out of my grave because of that true symphony. Ain't it the
Sweetest noise around. That beautiful sound. That beautiful sound. That beautiful sound. That beautiful sound. That beautiful sound.
Oh my, ooh. I don't judge, but dang, that's you. Oh my god. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please like, subscribe. Anything you want me to do, please comment down below. I want to hear what you guys got to say. Thank you guys be so patient with me and thank you for showing me so much love and support. It means so much and I couldn't have done nothing to you guys. See you guys next time. Bye. Mwah.